And what are these? Onion rings. Wow, decided to make onion rings for the first time. And according to John the chef on foodwishes.com, these are the crispiest onion rings you can ever make. So I decided to make them since I've got a lot of free time lately, thanks to the COVID-19 or coronavirus as it's currently known. And so I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. These are the onion rings, almost complete. I got a few left to make. Here's the frying oil. I've got that on medium-high heat. And as you can see, it makes quite a bit of a mess. This is my workstation over here. I prepared the batter. That's the empty bowl with the onions. And I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up. If you are going to do this, the breadcrumbs used, maybe I would separate the batch of breadcrumbs into two batches next time, as opposed to having a bunch of clumps, because I started getting clumps in my batter, in my breadcrumbs as soon as I started. And I didn't have all panko breadcrumbs, so I'm using regular Italian breadcrumbs, which seem to have some kind of Romano cheese in them. So that's going to give it a little bit of more flavor, and maybe that's what's contributing to the fact that the onion rings are a little darker and they're tough to, they don't take very long to cook and get roasted. So that's my quick overview of onion ring making, and hope you guys follow this advice and make some of your own. So thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.